Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Today now, Monday, April 7, 2025, at Arab, Dr. Nasi House. Today is finished work now, together with Ariel and Chandra. We just start the wiring here in the office first. I just drop each of the box in the last the house, and also they have already for the power up for the AC. And also I already have the outlet. Also that. Also this one. And also this one they already have in this switch here. And later on we're gonna set the for the cat 6 in there, the not going to the turbine. They already have the taggings, and also here they already have put a tagging so that it will gonna not be always be remain. And also you also have here, and also there. And also for the lightings, you will just already drop like that one. And also this one for the shutter, and also that also shutter. There are two shutter there because there's a window, two windows, and also the lightings drop. And also here outside, and that's for today now. Thank you and have a nice day.